Welcome back, everyone. We are in the county of Riverside yet again. And if you thought the $500,000 homes were very nice and big and were like a mini mansion relative to the ones we saw in Orange County, then you're going to want to stick around because we're jumping up to $700,000 today. We are going to be looking at two new construction homes here in Riverside County. And at the end of each tour, we'll be going over what a monthly payment would look like. So starting off, this home right behind me is going to be listed at $699,000 and some change. It's going to be 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, and a little over 1,800 square feet. This backyard is going to have plenty of space for your quinceañeras or your sweet 16s or whatever you need to. So let's get started with the exclusive tour. Come on, let's go. As you walk in, the first thing you'll notice in this gorgeous 4-bed, 3-bath is going to be your living room, your kitchen, and then your backyard, which there's plenty of space so you can do so many things. And at this price point, you don't see a backyard compared to Orange County at this price point. You barely even have a patio, right, in Orange County. On this first floor, we have the kitchen. We'll take a look at it in a second. You have a closet space here. You have the staircase for your bedrooms and your master bedroom upstairs. And your garage access right here. Let's go over to this side and check out the first bedroom. This here is going to be your first bedroom here to your right. This first bedroom here on the first floor and its own private restroom is going to be perfect for your guests so they can hang out and come stay here for the holidays or whenever they have vacation. You can have them here very comfortably. Now let's go and see this ultra modern kitchen. So as you walk into your kitchen, the first thing you'll notice is the open space. It just feels very open here. Compared to a lot of homes that we've seen, the kitchen is separate. But in this case, you can see the living room, you can see the backyard. And compared to the other homes, this is a relatively small dining area. But hey, when you have a backyard like this, when you have a kitchen, when you have a living room like this at this price point, who's there to complain? I mean, just imagine the endless possibilities that you can do with a backyard like this and the views. You can easily have a jacuzzi here overlooking the views and your own boxing ring. And you can't forget the carne asadas that you can have here. Now let's go upstairs and check out your master bedroom and the other rooms. Let's go upstairs and let's see if we don't pass out with these stairs. Alright, we made it. As soon as you get up here to the second floor to the right, the first thing you'll notice is your master bedroom. You're going to have 3 windows so you can enjoy the night sky at night and you can hang out with your boo. You're not even going to need Netflix since you're going to have all these views to enjoy all night long. And you might be thinking, where's the closet space? It's going to be right over here, separated away from your master bedroom. Now that's a master bedroom. Not only do you have the views with the 3 windows here, but you also have a dedicated walk-in closet separated from your master bedroom. And you have the double vanity sink here. That's always helpful if you're married or have a significant other. Now let's go look at the 2 other bedrooms that you're going to use for your family or for your guests. Alright, so the 2 bedrooms upstairs, that's not your master bedroom. I really liked how it has its own restroom with double vanity. Alright, so all in all, you have the huge driveway, you have the views, you have the huge backyard where the possibilities are endless, and you have this gorgeous ultra modern kitchen. What does a monthly payment look like for a 4-bedroom and 3-bath home here in Riverside County? With the huge backyard, with the views, with the huge driveway where you can easily fit more than 5 cars for all the parties you're going to have here. What does a monthly payment look like here? It's going to be with 10% down payment, which is about $70,000. Your payment will come out to about $4,013. That's including private mortgage insurance and not including taxes and insurance, since that's different and it varies person to person. Now let's head over to the other new construction home that I think you're going to like even more. Alright guys, we are here at this new construction home. Just like the other one, this one is also a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. The only difference here is that it's going to be over 2,200 square feet. And it's going to have an HOA fee of about $200 a month because you're going to have a basketball court, part of the community, and also 2 dog parks. This home that I'm about to show you is listed at $685,000. So as you walk into your home, the first thing to your right will be your restroom and your bedroom here, or your office. As you walk past your bedroom and your restroom, you're going to have your staircase to your master bedroom and your garage down here, and over to your right you'll have your first closet where you can hang out and put your kids away if they misbehave. And as you continue, you'll have your kitchen here, your backyard, and your living room. Alright, so as we get to the second floor up here, the first thing you'll notice to your left is one thing that I'm a very big fan of. Let me know if you're a fan of these too. But these loft spaces where you can turn it into anything. If you ask me, I'll put a pool table here, I'll put a wine bar here, I'll put a nice TV up here, but what do you think? What would you put up here? As you continue down the hallway, you'll have your other bedrooms, but let's first get to the master bedroom. That's definitely going to be a showstopper. This is the master bedroom. As we continue through your master bedroom, when you wake up in the morning, you're going to have your dedicated walk-in closet, and of course your dual vanity restroom and shower here. All in all, for a monthly payment for a home just like this one, it's going to be very similar to the first one. This new construction, your payment would be about $4,000 with a 10% down payment of about $70,000, more or less. Now, if you need help with down payment, if you need help with closing costs, let me know. Feel free to contact me. I'm going to leave my information as always, because we have down payment assistance programs. And also, for a limited time, we can help you with closing costs. I'm Robert with Sold and Funded by a Vet. Let me know down in the comments what other homes you want to see.